Hello, my name is Warieta Gift Ejoke. So I want to give us a little demo on how you can actually leverage on the power of Power Virtual Agent in job um, vacancy process in terms of the recruitment process, recruitment search. Okay, so this is just a little demo. So basically, this application has its database built on Dataverse. It also makes use of Power Automate flows to trigger certain actions that we will be seeing in this application. So we'll talk more. So let's go quickly into the demo and see. So as usual, this chatbot is going to be triggered by you. So we probably hi, hello, a good morning, good afternoon, or a good evening. So for me, I'm going to commence with just a hi. Okay, so once you do that, the chatbot service begins. So here, what we have here is the chatbot telling us there is a friendly job vacancy job search bot who can also help us with HR-related issues and information such as job vacancies and events. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be looking at the job vacancy. So it's asking me what name would you prefer. So I wanted to refer to me as let me see, which name will I use? Let me use Bill Gates or Bill Clinton. I like that name. Okay. So hi, Bill Clinton. Nice to meet you virtually. What can I help you with? So I need a job. Choose the vacancy type. Okay, so it can be internal, it can be external. So let's go external and see. Please choose recruiting department. So we have different recruiting departments here. So what we have here is IT, HR, and marketing. So let me go for IT. Wow, so we've got a job that is available. So this job here is dependent on what is in the database. Okay, it also makes use of other algorithm like checking if that job is still vacant, if it hasn't passed the due dates. Okay, so we have all the detailed description, and most importantly, you also see the due date. So are you interested in the role? So it's either a yes or a no. So please input your email. So I'm going to input my email. So say, thank you for showing your interest. Kindly check your email inbox for an update on the job role. I wish you all the best. Okay, so let me quickly go back. Okay, so let's just check. So voila, we already have a job and it tells us update on your application for the role of senior developer. So that was what I applied for. So it gives us detail, build this, kindly reply this email with your updated resume. So I can proceed from here. You know, I've expressed my intentions of wanting to take the role of a senior developer in the company. Okay, so let's just go back and just see what other things we have in the chat box. So did that answer your question? Yes. Okay, so I'm keeping it simple. So I'm going to give it okay, so if I want to connect with um a person, so I can click this and this connects you and so on. So thanks. Okay, bye. So so I'm going to be showing us more information about this, how to go about this process, in the session that we'll be having on Saturday, 29th of April at the Global Power Platform, to shed more light on how we can leverage the power virtual agents in job vacancies. Okay, so more details will be shared during this session. Thank you so much. See you in class.